Hi students, this is the second part of ACFM, that is Advanced Corporate and Financial Management for BBA 5th semester, and in this part we will discuss all the 5 marks problems. Okay, so let us start with question number 2. A company has 10% perpetual debt of rupees 1 lakh and the tax rate is 35%. Determine the cost of capital before and after tax, assuming that the debt is issued at 10% premium. So the problem is on debenture. So we have to calculate the cost of debenture. The basic formula for the cost of debenture is given here, that is KD is equal to I by P into 100. So if we are calculating it before tax, then we should use this formula. If you are calculating it for after tax, then we should use this formula. The only difference here is in after tax we use 1 minus t, in before tax we don't use it. Now we will see the question and the given values. Here we require I is the percentage, that is 10%. So 10%, then P is the face value or the net proceeds, that is in this problem it is 1 lakh. So I is equal to 10% and P is equal to 1 lakh. So soon after I and P are finalized, then we should apply that P should be applied to I, that is I is equal to 10% of 1 lakh. So that I will become 10,000. P is 1 lakh, but there is a adjustment here, that is premium. That premium should be added to this P. So it is done here. Premium is equal to 10%, hence P is equal to 1 lakh plus 10%. Please remember, premium always comes with a addition sign. P for premium, P for plus. You can remember it like this. So 1 lakh plus 10% becomes 1 lakh 10,000. Now if we apply the same values in the formula, it will become I by P into 100. I is 10,000, P is 1 lakh 10,000. 10,000 divided by 1 lakh 10,000 gives you 0.0909 into 100 gives you 9.09%. Then the cost of debenture after tax. The only difference here is tax. So I remains as 10,000, P remains as 1 lakh 10,000. This comes as extra here, that is 1 minus 0.35. So tax is 35%. It has been done here. 35%. Percent stands for 100. Therefore, tax is equal to 35 divided by 100, that is 0.35. So 1 minus 0.35 gives you 0.65. Therefore, 0.909 into 0.65 gives you 0.05908, then into 100, and then the final answer is 5.908. Therefore, the cost of debenture before tax is 9.09% and after tax is 5.098%. Then we'll go for the next problem. The next problem is like this. Question number 3. This is also for 5 marks. A project costs rupees 1 lakh and it has expected cash flows of 50,000, 60,000 and 40,000 respectively for 1 to 3 years. That means for the first year it is 50,000, for the second year it is 60,000 and for the third year it's 40,000. Assuming that the certainty equivalent coefficient for expected cash flows are 0.90, 0.70 and 0.60 respectively, then the risk-free discount rate is 6%. Suggest whether the project has been accepted or rejected. So this is the solution. In the year column we have to take 3 years, that is 1, 2 and 3. In the cash flow column we have to take this, that is 50,000, 60,000 and 40,000. Then equivalent coefficient are given, that is 0.90, 0.7 and 0.6. Then certainty equivalent cash flow. So this column is got by multiplying the second column and third column. This 50,000 is multiplied with 0.9, you will get 45,000. 60,000 into 0.7 gives you 42,000. 40,000 into 0.6 gets you 24,000. Then discount factor at 6%. So this 6% discount factor is to be calculated by 1 divided by 1 plus r raised to n formula. So if you calculate that with the help of this formula, you will get 0.9434, 0.89, 0.8396, or these values can also be found in the PV table. Okay. Then discounted cash flows. This column is got by multiplying the fourth column with fifth column. That is, this certainty equivalent cash flows are multiplied with the discount factor. When you multiply these two columns, you will get this. So 45,000 into 0.9434 gets you 42,453. 42,000 into 0.89 gets you 37,380. 24,000 into 0.8396 gets you 20,150.4. Then once this table is prepared, then you have to add the last column, that is this discounted cash flow. You will get total discounted cash flow that becomes around 99,983.4, and with that you should subtract or you should minus initial investment. Initial investment is here, that is a project costs rupees 1 lakh, so that is the initial investment what has been taken there. So once you minus these two, you will get the net present value as minus 17. Please always remember, you should take the initial investment below the total discounted factor, so you will get a negative answer, that is the answer is minus 17. So the final result, since the net present value is approximately minus 17, which is negative, the project should be rejected. Okay. And the next questions will be solved in the next video. Please watch it. Thank you.